Defend the fort. It's just Chris left. Hiding in the hole.
Two guys up there, we got a guy who needs to be revived back there. And one across the river who needs to be revived.
You look close so you can see Willie on the move.
You look close so you can see these two kids. Oh my god. That was awesome. Ah.
Watch out.
Pretty sweet. Oh dude, there's a rope here. There's something on
One. Hit the hillside over here. We have Brandon shooting at me, thinking I'm in. Get on the other side. Up here. He's up there hiding. He's on the move. He's coming down. He's on the move right now. There he goes. There he goes. Go after Chris. Chris has got him pinned.
Oh gosh, battery.
That's bad.
Yeah, that is bad.
Wait, do you need the AK?
What?
Do you need your AK?
Yep.
Brandon's throwing off camo. Jacob's running. Chris, the AK-47. His gun just dead, a battery. Get another video, Chris. Chris is in the hole still. He's all Brandon over here.
All right, Willie's out.
He's all Brandon. See Brandon's over there behind a tree. Straight ahead. Chris is getting reload. It's intense. That's the only way Brandon can get across this log here. Don't think he'll try it. He can stay back and shoot. Chris is struggling to reload. He's rushing. He's struggling. He's reloaded. Brandon's picking off shots. They're close. Chris is hurrying. Chris got the AK-47. Crossman, cheap piece of crap. He's looking all around. Brandon just moved out. Look how hard it is. He moved up. He's asking for ammo. I don't have any. Chris is open firing.
I see you.
He sees Brandon. Brandon's in that tree. Trying to get a good shot. Be close. Oh shit, here's Alec. There's Alec. Sneaky, I didn't see him at all. Alec's ready to get ready to fire at Chris too. He's sneaky about it. They're getting both lit up. Just trying to figure out what to do. Doesn't know. Doesn't know. Alex not moving. He knows he's trapped. There's his leg right there. Figure it out. So let's see what's going on up here. I'm out. I'm out. What? No. It's fell. Let's see what's going on.
Gun maintenance. I put that battery in.
Switching batteries out. Chris is in the hole. Alex behind that tree. They're trying to shoot you, Chris. They can't get it.
What?
They're trying to shoot you.
They'll always be trying to shoot me.
Well, Alec, what are you doing? He's out? Did you even shoot him?
There we go.
Did you even shoot him?
Nope.
He's getting tired.
Oh shoot. Well, I don't have permission to leave, right?
Nope.